Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
When it comes to efficiency, the Clarity plug-in hybrid truly shines with its impressive electric-only range of 47 miles, perfect for daily commutes. Once the battery is depleted, it still delivers 42 miles per gallon combined. The Accord hybrid, on the other hand, boasts an excellent 48 miles per gallon combined, making it a strong contender for overall fuel economy. Both offer smooth, responsive driving experiences. If you're finding this comparison helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more car reviews. On another note, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized, whether you're commuting or just planning ahead. Check the description below for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. Considering practicality, the Accord hybrid offers slightly more trunk space at 16.7 cubic feet, compared to the Clarity's 15.5 cubic feet. Both sedans prioritize passenger comfort with spacious interiors and come equipped with Honda Sensing, a suite of advanced safety and driver-assistive technologies. You'll also find intuitive infotainment systems in both, ensuring a connected and secure journey.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.